Hey there. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you or someone around you got a cut and you weren't sure how to stop the bleeding? It's a common scenario, and knowing the right steps can make all the difference. Today, I'm going to guide you through a clear, step-by-step process on how to stop a cut from bleeding effectively. Stick around because you never know when this vital knowledge might come in handy. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Wash your hands. The first and most crucial step is to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This prevents any bacteria from your hands from getting into the cut. If you have disposable gloves, this is a good time to put them on. This step is recommended by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, to reduce the risk of infection. Step 2. Rinse the cut. Next, rinse the cut under clean, running water. If you can, use cool water to help constrict blood vessels and slow down the bleeding. Avoid using hydrogen peroxide or iodine directly on the wound as they can damage tissue and delay healing. According to a study by the American Journal of Infection Control in 2019, clean water is often just as effective as these antiseptics for cleaning wounds. Step 3. Apply pressure. Take a piece of sterile gauze or a clean cloth and apply firm pressure directly on the cut. Hold it there for several minutes. This step is crucial because it helps the blood to clot. According to a first aid manual by the Red Cross, maintaining pressure for 5 to 10 minutes can significantly reduce bleeding. Step 4. Elevate the wound. If possible, elevate the injured area above the level of the heart. This helps reduce blood flow to the area, further slowing the bleeding. For instance, if you've cut your hand, raise your hand above your head. Step 5. Check the bleeding. After applying pressure and elevating the wound, check if the bleeding has slowed down or stopped. If it hasn't, continue to apply pressure and keep the wound elevated. Persistent bleeding might require medical attention. Step 6. Apply an adhesive bandage. Once the bleeding has stopped, you need to protect the cut from infection. Apply a small amount of antibiotic ointment if available, and then cover the wound with a sterile adhesive bandage or wrap it with sterile gauze and tape. This step is endorsed by the Mayo Clinic for its effectiveness in preventing infections and aiding in the healing process. Step 7. Monitor the wound. Keep an eye on the cut over the next few days. Change the bandage daily and look out for signs of infection like redness, swelling, or pus. If you notice any of these signs, it might be time to see a doctor. And that's it. You've successfully stopped the cut from bleeding and taken steps to ensure it heals properly. Remember, staying calm and following these steps can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, share this video with someone who might need it, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.